Welcome to the RMail Feature Explained video short series on RMail's e-sign services. RMail has 3 e-sign features for different workflows and links to the full-featured enterprise-scale RSign electronic signature service by clicking the Templates link in the RMail app for Outlook and others. Let's do a quick overview of the 3 RMail features. The first is e-paper. Compose a message, attach a document, click e-paper. The receiver gets an email that says view and sign document, and when they click the link, it opens up a new tab on their browser which looks like an electronic paper copy of the document. The signer can script their name or initials or draw on the document, or they can add their signature or add text to the document, just like it was paper in front of them. The second RMail electronic signature service we call Tags. Tags is very similar to the e-paper service, except that ahead of time, the sender adds tags to the document in specific locations. The signer does not see those tags, and after they view the document and are ready to sign, they are brought to an electronic touchpad where they input their name, title, signature, date, and others, and the RMail system replaces the tags with the signer's inputted data. The third RMail e-sign feature is one-click, which is done entirely by email. The sender composes a message, attaches the document, the receiver gets an email, and when they click the link to sign, a new composed page opens up, pre-addressed back to the original signer through the RMail system with agreement text in place, where the signer, all they do is type in their name. After the signer presses the send button, both the sender and the signer receive an email with a certificate showing that they've approved the document and signed it, and the signer's name and date are stamped on all pages of the document, and the document includes this signature certificate. Each of these features have a number of settings to configure the workflow for what's best for you. Thank you for listening.